Welcome back everyone. There's nothing like starting off the day with a full, nutrient-packed, wholesome and filling breakfast. So today I will be sharing my favorite breakfast egg muffins recipe with you, which is loaded with variety of colorful fresh veggies, meat of your choice and cheese. We will start by chopping off some veggies like potatoes cut into cubes, mushrooms, grated carrots, steamed broccoli, bell pepper, and the list goes on. You can add anything you have on hand and any veggie you like. There are several versions of this recipe. I try to include good amount of fresh vegetables like broccoli, mushrooms, spinach, colorful bell peppers and potatoes. You can always do some variations by adding bacon or sausage. Here are some of the combinations of veggies I have created. You can always adjust according to your preference. Now that our veggies are ready, we will first steam our broccoli and saute the mushrooms first. When done, remove the broccoli and mushrooms into separate container. Now let's start cracking the eggs and add seasoning to it. My container is not big enough to whisk in the eggs, so I will just transfer the eggs into big mixing bowl. Now add some salt to taste, some black pepper, and garlic powder. You can also add some Italian seasoning or oregano if you like. Now the final step. Before pouring eggs, we will first lightly brush the ramekins with oil and then we will start adding the veggies and egg into them. You can also use muffin tray for this instead of ramekins. Now pour the egg mixture and mix nicely. I am making 3 different kinds of egg muffins with veggies. In first we added spinach, tomatoes and corns. In second we'll add broccoli, peas and bell peppers. And in third add grated carrot, potatoes, spring onions and mushrooms. Similarly pour the egg mixture and bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Also add some cilantro and mozzarella before baking. You can also store them in refrigerator for 3 days. Just pop them into the microwave and reheat whenever you need a fast filling breakfast on the go. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and thanks for watching.